Here's how to connect make.com to Google Calendar, step by step. Start by signing in to make.com. Once you are on your dashboard, create a new scenario if you are starting from scratch, or open an existing scenario if you already have one ready. The goal here is to get into the scenario builder so you can add Google Calendar as a connected app. Inside the scenario, click the plus button to add a module. This opens the app search area. Type Google Calendar into the search field, then select the Google Calendar module you want to use. Make.com offers different Google Calendar actions and triggers, so choose the one that matches the task you plan to run in this scenario. After you select the module, the setup panel will appear. In that panel, look for the connection field. This is where Make.com stores the Google account link that the module will use. Click Add to create a new connection. A connection window will open, and you will be asked to name it. In the connection name field, type a name that will help you recognize it later. This can be something general for your account or something tied to the scenario you are building. After naming the connection, click Sign in with Google. A Google sign in window will open. If it does not appear right away, give it a moment to load. When it appears, choose the Google account you want to connect. Make sure you select the correct account before continuing, especially if you use more than one Google account in the same browser. Once you choose the account, click Continue to move into the authorization screen. Google will show the permissions that Make.com is requesting for access to your Google Calendar. Review that list, then click Allow to approve the connection. This is the step that gives Make.com permission to interact with your calendar data through the module you selected. After you allow access, you will be returned to Make.com. The new connection should now appear in the connection field. From there, click Save to store the connection. You can then finish any remaining module settings that apply to the calendar action or trigger you chose. Those settings depend on the module, so at this stage, you are just completing the fields shown in the Setup panel. When everything is in place, click Run once. This sends a test run through the scenario so you can verify that the connection is working properly. If the connection was authorized successfully, the module should run without asking you to sign in again. If prompted, review the selected account and saved connection, then try to run again. Your Make.com scenario is now connected to Google Calendar and ready for use.